So we're back in the pram today. Walking to the post office. I don't know if it's open or not, but my knee's buggered and I've got to exercise instead of just sitting at home binge eating, and get him used to this pram and all the different noises of the roads and everything. I know, what are you doing? Oh yeah, going up. You can't go in my bag. He's looking for my the side bag, bless him. What are you doing? Ow! Claws! I haven't got a side bag with me, that's an idea. I'll have to bring that, won't I? Hey? What are you doing? You good boy. So yeah, just trying to sort of get him used to the pram, walk alongside it and riding in it. Because obviously Connie and the baby should be in that later. I have to get some exercise. So just walking down the street. Let him have a little look around and get tangled up river. I'll do that. I just took his tracker off, so I've got to be careful not to lose him. Not that he's going to go far from me. My knee's been a real pain actually, real trouble. He's got some sweets in there. So this is more about me getting out and having some exercise, and I will walk with the pram. He may be a bit nervous, but it's what I need to get out, my safety net. But yes, that is an idea. I'd have to put my bag carrier on so that he can go in the sling bag either on here or on my shoulder, which leaves that pram free. I need to put shopping and things in, all the kittens in. So I'll do that next time. I get quite heated walking. I don't want too many hours on me. Anyway, I'll catch you later. As soon as I got to the post office, he was jumped out, got into everything. Obviously the outside bit and the traffic and that, he was a bit nervous of, because he hasn't had the training like Connie has. He's obviously only been in the van with her and out in the wilderness where it's quiet, and he's shut away in the van when the cars are about and moving. So obviously this is his first proper training, and it's obviously late training for traffic. I know! People and areas, isn't it? Coming out! So that's where the bit where Connie likes to come and jump down the tree, and hopefully he'll jump out in a minute. You little pitiful meows! Come on out, you Chief! Yay! Come on out, you get! You're getting out, Chief! Come on in, how'd you go? Good boy! What is it? Watch out for dog walkers. Good boy, coming out! Hello! Up on my shoulder first, I'm going to check the place out. I'm just going to put you down a minute. Just the problem was of him being on his own, not being on his own when doing the training and just being around the other cats. He's used it as a safety net, and not one-on-one with him like this, with me in the pram and away from the others. It's a good boy. What's this? Gigi, there's a tree. What's this? Come here. What's this, Puss? What's this? Puss? What's that here? Puss? Yeah, what's that? Good boy. Good boy, Chief. What's that? Yeah, what's that? What's that, Chief? What's that, Chief? Up he goes. Hey, that's what he loves. He loves trees. Absolutely adores trees, don't you? Yeah. I'm here. What are you doing? Good boy. So you can climb the concrete lamppost, can't you? You're a clever boy. Oh, you're going to fall. Yay, good boy. Good boy, Chief. There's the old play area. Yes, a good boy. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. Up on my shoulder again. This way. Where you going? That's the wrong way. Of course, he's stalking off, looking for his van and for somewhere to go. He's got to learn to come to the pram and to me. So I'll go wait for him to return. He's run away. Chief, come on. Come on, this way. This way. Come on, this way. Good boy. This way. Chief. Good boy, come on. He's got to see that I'm the safety net and the pram's the safety area. Come on then, good boy. What a good boy. Yes, that's your pram. Good boy. Look at the way he's hiding in the way, that's it. As you can see, on his own.